Hi everyone, it's the EV Lady, I'm Ai. If you're curious about what makes the Jayco J7 feel premium, samahan niyo ako as we explore the common features inside this amazing SUV. Tara, let's go! First, mapapansin natin ang fully digital instrument cluster. So dito mo makikita ang speed, fuel, or battery information, navigation, at iba pang important driving details, lahat malinaw at madaling basahin. Next naman is itong malaking vertical touchscreen. Dito mo makokontrol ang Apple CarPlay at Android Auto, navigation, climate control, camera views, at iba't ibang vehicle settings. At napaka-modern nito at responsive ng display. Wala na ring makalat na charging cables dahil may built-in wireless charging pad para sa compatible smartphones nyo. Ang seats ay premium leather, comfortable sa city driving, at kung road trips naman, okay din siya. Depending on the variant, may power adjustment, heating, at ventilation para mas komportable. Isa sa mga favorite ng customers ang panoramic sunroof. Sa steering wheel, pwede mong kontrolin ang audio, phone calls, voice commands, at cruise control nang hindi inaalis ang kamay mo sa manibela. So parking is easier with the 360-degree camera. Kita mo ang paligid ng sasakyan, kaya mas magiging confident ka sa masisikip na parking spaces. So makikita niyo po example ng camera niya dun sa recent video ko. At maganda rin dito, meron po siyang customizable ambient lighting dito ng J7. Once na dinadrive niyo siya, makikita niyo po yon. At since ito ay nagbibigay po ng premium at relaxing vibe po sa cabin niyo, lalo na po kapag night driving. So lastly naman, napakaluwag po ng interior niya. Malaki po yung legroom. Ito po, ating legroom. At headroom, ito. Kaya komportable po ang buong pamilya kahit long drives. So those are some of the common interior features of the Jayco J7 that you should know. So if you want to experience these features yourself, book your test drive with me today. I'm Ai, or Rosalind, your digital marketing and sales executive here at Amada Jayco Hawit. See you in my next video!